support. Like, medicine can be a very expensive journey to have support in even something like this, like getting our tools. It means the world that people care and want to see us succeed. People who don't even know us, but you know, they're looking out for us.
Feels like almost with like patching the torch, and it just like reminds me of how like BU is such a community, and I feel like everyone here has been so supportive. So it's just nice to know like there's people I don't even know that still are looking out for me.
Yeah.
The realization hit me. I felt really excited, and I felt like for the first time, like this is it. I'm here.
Having the support of the alumni and opening this box, receiving my stethoscope, it truly means a lot to know that there's a lot of people backing me and supporting me, and I'm not alone in this journey. It's very daunting to go through, but knowing that I'm not going to be going through it alone.
To see my family's last name on a stethoscope, like, it means the world.